Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, my lord. It's a hearing matter. Lordship, this matter may kindly be taken up after 1 week. So, today we have some personal difficulty.
After 1 week,
After a week?
the 2013 amendment.
Yes, my lord. But other side is not appearing, my lord. From the last 2015, my lord, they are not appearing.
You are for the
I'm for the petitioner.
petition.
Respondents are not appearing in.
Oh,
So my lord, matter is getting delayed.
done. Submitted by her. What?
I'm deeply offended.
May it please, my lord. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 8. Lordship, may kindly pass over the matter for the day.
Item number 8.
8.
It's a criminal petition.
Criminal petition.
So you're for the,
And for the petitioner.
you're for the petition. You have taken consent from the other side. State is there, I think, and any
Yes, well, state.
Full consent.
After 2 weeks, it will be listed. Okay, let's stop.
Much obliged.
May please, your lordship.
Yes.
In connection with Nagaon case number 372, public 2024, he was arrested on 26 2024.
26.
Other accused persons are already released on bail by this honorable court. Considering the period of detention,
So he is arrested. He was arrested on 26.
26, 20.
yes,
Have you annexed the other
Yes.
orders?
lordship,
Where? In
Last-
18.
last.
In other,
No, lordship,
whether he is involved in this case, innocent, whatever, there,
no, he is innocent.
innocent.
He is shown arrested on the basis of suspected
He was shown
suspension.
arrest.
Yes,
He was earlier arrested in connected with which case?
in Zagir Road PS case.
Yes, till Jagiroad PS case number
Yes,
25, 24.
95, I think.
Yes,
Yes.
Jagiroad 95.
95.
See, we order it. Yes, what are
Yes.
ground of Parity complex
Yes.
detention only we have considered.
Yes.
So it would be your under the section of CGM Naga.
CGM Nagaon.
Okay, your petitioner.
I do believe.
No, please, 21 C29 NDPS segment.
In this case, Lordship, the already 145 days in custody, Lordship. But the so far FIR is concerned, Lordship, the petitioner having no any involvement at all, Lordship, and the sum is some Yaba tablet is recovered. The vehicle belonging to another 2 person, they have already available in the vehicle, Lordship. But actually, on the
Now see, it's okay.
Lordship.
May not be.
Lordship.
but,
Lordship,
has to be. Charge sheet is not yet
No,
highlighted.
no. Yes, ma'am.
Is it
CD may be
subsidy?
called for, ma'am.
GDP call for.
Call for.
Yes, still at the bottom.
it is from Rongia, Lordship. Can be 10, 9, 10.
On 18th of September, ma'am. 18/9.
18.
18/9. ma'am.
It is on 18.
No, Lordship, short date maybe, Lordship. Otherwise, it is from Rongia, Lordship. What is the
On 13/9, ma'am.
can be Lordship, 10, Lordship, and otherwise.
No. Then to, if it is the pertains to in this code, it is banned specially. Then to I'll not be probably otherwise be. So like we let it down with 13 only. 1 3.
Lordship. Obliged.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, this petition is filed by the petitioner, my lord, against the impugned order dated 10/5/2024, lordship, passed by the learned SDGM Hujai Lordship. Wherein
Where is the
Lordship,
order?
order is at page Lordship 15 Lordship. Lordship, here the petition is directed to pay the maintenance amount of rupees 2,000 to wife and 1,500 each to the children, Lordship.
How many children? Two children.
Two children, Lordship. So total 5,000, Lordship. Lordship, I have annexed, Lordship, IMA, Lordship. I have been running a CSP, Lordship. Where from, Lordship, I received only an amount of rupees 5,000, 7,000, like that in average monthly income, Lordship. I have annexed the statement of the Lordship. So,
Considering
and
most probably now the yes, your earnings may be very less.
very much less, Lordship.
But the question is that the only 1,500 is been allowed.
Lordship, I am challenging the Lordship only payment towards the wife, Lordship. I have no objection to payment towards my
Why
children,
you are not?
because
going?
wife is a Lordship educated lady and she has been serving in a renowned private school of the locality, Lordship, and receiving a good salary, Lordship, for which she left out, Lordship. So kindly that amount may kindly be stated. I have no
No
objection
stay
regarding,
order. It's the case.
because Lordship,
Cannot pass any order of take. When the order was passed,
Lordship order was
10-5.
10-5,
Since
Lordship.
10-5, have you paid any penny to the, even a single penny to the
Lordship-
opposite party? No, I think you have not.
Lordship, I have no
You have not
instruction
paid.
regarding.
You have not paid any. So stay will not be there. We'll try to keep your date so that it may be matter. may
Only
be fine.
regarding, Lordship, maintenance to the wife, Lordship. I am, because she receiving a good salary from Lordship, which is more than my income, Lord.
Okay, maybe. It will not. Stay like. You take steps within 2-3 days to the respondent number 2, so
Yeah.
that it can be served easily. We are not going to pass any state, so your matter may be fixed after 3 weeks, not after 4 weeks. The issuing notice.
Obliged.
Yes, Your Lordship. This petition is filed challenging the order dated that Your Lordship will find page 28, 12/9/20, framing of charge. Your Lordship, my case is that from the said place, allegedly, as per FIR, some contraventions were recovered from 2 persons. And that I may be tried for the offense which, for the contraband which was found in my possession. And instead of that, Lordship, all the contrabands were mixed together and it was made commercial quantity, Lordship. So therefore, I have challenged that order, Lordship. At this stage, my prayer is that LCR may be called and that record may be perused. That will verify whether there was any conspiracy or abatement between the 2 persons or not. If it is not,
You were
then
going in the same, you were even traveling in the same vehicle, same area.
they were in the same, Lordship, bus stand. From the bus stand, 2 persons were apprehended, 4-5 bags were seized. From that, Lordship, they recovered some quantity. They mixed it together and lodged 1 FIR against both the persons.
Sit together means your weight was taken separately.
No,
Or
firstly it was taken separately. Thereafter, it was seized in the single seizure list. That is it.
you have called for the LCR now.
LCR. Scan copies.
Can copy it. Yes, what when it can
Can copy also any date मतलब registry we have to on
go
24th of September. 24th of September.
After 2 weeks, any date, Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, that's it. 24. Oh, 24.
24. 24 will be too long, Lordship. On 18 or 19.
Get it. 9. Okay.
Obliged.
Raised it.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the impinged order is at page 36, Your Lordship.
36.
36, Your Lordship. Also, this petition has been preferred only because of the NVW issued against the petitioner, Your Lordship. And the petition is preferred on 3 grounds, Your Lordship. Number 1 is that, Your Lordship, whatever is recovered, that was not from the possession of the petitioner, Your Lordship. The seizure memo is at page 26, Your Lordship. It was the brother of the petitioner, Your Lordship, Shahrukh Khan. So, whatever is recovered from the brother of the petitioner, not from the petitioner, Your Lordship. Number 2, Your Lordship, Now, the petitioner though has been shown as absconder in the charge sheet, your lordship, but the petitioner has never been searched. He was there in his house, your lordship, but he was never been searched, your lordship. And the third ground, your lordship, is that though the petition FIR charge sheet was submitted under 22C of the NDPS Act, your lordship, but whatever is there in the Caesar list, that is not 22C, your lordship. It may be 22B, your lordship. Your lordship, I'm not going on the merits of the case, your lordship. Only submission prayer is there, limited prayer is there, your lordship. The NBW may be suspended, your lordship, and I will appear before the court below and I will face the trial, your lordship.
Offense under section 22C of the NDPS Act. Initially, two persons, Muklesur Rahman and Saruk Hussain, arrested on 17/2/22, and present person is absconded, charge sheet file showing him as an absconder. And now summons issued, court has issued summon. Thereafter, BW available warrant of arrest also issued, and thereafter, my lord, on my lord 25/7/24, NBW issued, and the case is now fixed on 23/9/24 for appearance.
Your lordship, for a moment, page 26 may be perused, your lordship. Page 26 is the vernacular of the Caesar list, your lordship.
Now my lord, case is fixed for appearance. Let him
I'll
appear.
face the trial, your lordship. Only the NBW may be suspended and I may be allowed to appear before the court below and file the appropriate bill application before the court below, your lordship. Page 26 is the answer, your lordship, whatever my learned friend has submitted now. The recovery is from the brother of the petitioner, Shahrukh Hussain, your lordship. The name is very much reflected in the petition, your lordship. And whatever is about the 22C commercial quantity,
My lord, those
your
person will not come now, my lord. Already he is
Definitely,
an
your lordship.
absconder in the search sheet. Summons issued. Now NBW also issued. And my lord, till now he has not appeared before the trial court also. And during investigation
At best,
also,
it may be direct.
yes.
only with direction, your lordship, I will appear before the court below and I will file the appropriate bill application, your lordship.
Part is
IH Nusku.
I give the that of not perfect. This application. It's submitted to Mr. Daskar that we present and check that it be seen but it's the part of the DBT better dependent it doesn't it third by I and came of the pending of it in him only when it is if someone at the DWP today it is taken that with track according to the warrant of that give and read for and for watching of the order by 25/7/24 whereby the Mr. Water that at cannot be cited out from the target that the could not get. He was not at that and after issuing numbers and DPW the data track computer that the that the data could some of the DPW again the president non-efficient for given the how considering subject of the he is commanding directed with that the execution of we are directed, you have directed to appear within 10 days.
Hello.
And after 10 days, you appear within 10 days. Until 10 days, the NBW is
Highly obliged.
disposed.
528 BNSS, my lord. FIR that under challenge is phase 11, my lord.
FIR is under challenge.
Yeah, FIR, charge sheet, and all subsequent proceedings, my lord. At this stage, my respectful prayer will be, my lord, since
POCSO
POCSO
matter.
is there, my
Petitioner
lord.
is
Nothing
shown
has
as
to-
an absconder in this search sheet, my lord.
I have
And
shown as
now
absconder,
challenging,
my
my
lord.
lord, FIR search sheet and my lord, at this my prayer, people think this petition is liable to be rejected, dismissed, my lord.
Before my landed pen
One,
come.
one, it's a POCSO matter that your petitioner. On what ground you are coming?
Yes, my lord. My lord, before I go into the grounds, my lord, my respectful prayer will be to read the FIR once, my lord, for my understanding, my lord.
Whatever is a POCSO matter.
It's POCSO matter, my lord. Notice has to go, my lord. The first ground that my lord I'm taking is this FIR was lodged by the brother, my lord, on purely on anxiety and misunderstanding, my lord.
Your lordship may kindly peruse page 37, my lord.
Please?
Page 37, 35 and 37. my lord.
Your petitioner is Azipur.
Azir.
I respectfully submit, my lord. Once I finish, my lord, my landed pen will come in picture, my lord. Let me
We are
present
not
my.
going to hear the entire matter now. As they have to issue notice.
Yes, my lord. This is my expected prayer at this stage, my lord.
Otherwise, Mr. Pottakur is submitted it is a good case to dismiss the petition outrightly.
Definitely, my lord. My respectful prayer will be at this stage, my lord. Notice my go, my lord, to the
First,
informant, my
let
lord.
him appear before the trial court. Trial court has issued NBWA. Let him first appear before the trial court. And you can also file an application for recalling of that NBWA. Then trial court will consider in accordance with law, my lord. Now, without appearing before the trial court, showing him as an absconder in this search sheet, now he is praying for, my lord, quashing of the FIR search sheet and, my lord, praying for issuing some notice, my lord. On that ground, my lord, he will again file an application before the trial court. That matter is pending before this honorable court. Notice has issued, so I may be allowed to go on these grounds, my lord. Again, petitioner approach before the trial court. And while he is absconding since, my lord, 2020, my lord, and POSCO Act is also there. So first, let him appear before the trial court. Thereafter, my lord, if anyway he agrees later on, let him.
At this stage, my,
If it just the matter may be listed or otherwise may be directed to
Appear, my lord, within a time frame, my lord.
at this stage, my lord, since the legal remedy, my lord, old 482, my lord, present is 528, my lord. At this stage, my lord, my respectful prayer will notice at this stage, my lord.
But
Once
is that the Mr. Pottakur even some issue that
Yes,
case?
yes.
Also, we are not going to it's a case or
Yes,
not a
yes.
case of a stay and out.
Yes,
We
yes,
have to appear.
yes.
Otherwise,
Yes, that's
court is at liberty to
Yes.
definitely, my lord.
but
AS Tapada, my lord.
other case.
It's from Bongaigaon, my lord.
Okay.
Bongaigaon.
Also,
After 3 weeks, man.
Yes.
I'm deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, this petition is filed for a direction to split up the proceeding of the case, my lord. Where in this case, my lord, this, my lord, related to NDPS case, my lord. Petitioners were, my lord, arrested, my lord, about 1 year, my lord, earlier, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, they have filed, my lord, 3 times, my lord, bail petition before this honorable court 1 time and before the landed trial court, my lord, 2 times. All are rejected, my lord. Now, my lord, what even? There are 5 accused persons. One is, my lord, absconder, my lord. And other 4 persons are arrested, my lord. And regarding absconder accused person, so someone was initially issued and subsequently, my lord, NBW also issued. But thereafter, what happened, my lord? Again started to issue summon, my lord. So neither the summon nor the NBW, my lord, were executed. My lord, at this stage, my lord, my humble prayer is that here in this case, my lord, charge is also submitted, my lord, and charge is also framed, my lord. Charge is also framed. And thereafter, my lord, no progress in the case, my lord. And that is why, my lord, my prayer before this honorable court is to split up the case, my lord, proceeding, my lord, from the accused, my lord, Noor Ali, my lord. So this is the humble prayer, my lord. At this stage, my lord, proceeding may
So
be
that he
split
can
up.
file an appropriate application before the trial court also, my lord.
My lord, I will, my lord, there, my lord, I prayed, my lord, during my lord, bail petition, my lord, I prayed, my lord, but that is not, my lord, considered, my lord. So what happened, my lord?
Pray.
Yes.
My lord, I will.
We are not going to pass any order here. This matter up to, and by that time you pray best petition before the court that your petitioner may be well, I mean the other petitioner or other accused person may be the case may be proceeded against the other accused person. That may be there's a procedure for splitting up the case. That can be done. If your petitioner is behind the person, that's suppose 1 year, I don't know. So in that case, definitely it's the case of court can split up. If
My lord.
any other
My lord, my lord, charge is also framed, my lord. There is nothing, my lord, more to do. Only evidence stage is, my lord,
after
there.
framing of the charge, only the present the other accused absconded or what?
My lord, regarding, my lord, accused person, my lord, arrested person, my lord, charge is already framed. You lordship kindly see, my lord.
No. That's what I'm asking.
My lord.
Against the other person, charge is already framed.
Charge is framed, my lord.
So thereafter, the other accused absconded or what?
No, absconder, one person is absconder, my lord.
Huh.
This is from the earlier, he has never arrested, my
Then
lord.
the charge is already framed.
Framed,
So
my lord.
that means split up order is there only.
My lord. Split up order is not there, but charge is framed, my lord. You lordship kindly
In
see,
absence of the one accused, the charge is already framed.
charge is already framed, my lord.
That the case is proceeding, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
That the
On
case
cases
is
of
proceeding. I think.
2020.
If in absence of the other accused person, suppose charge is framed
My lord.
as per your submission,
My lord.
then the case is proceeding, I think, against you
My
and others.
My lord, now the court is, my lord, waiting for the absconder accused person, my lord. No progress thereafter. No progress thereafter. Only someone is issuing to the.
For the cashier, then. What otherwise,
Yes, ma'am.
presently I cannot pass any order.
Yes.
Or for the other people.
Your lordship kindly see page 57, my lord. Here, my lord, charge is framed. And thereafter, my lord, only someone is, my lord, issued, my lord, against the absconder, my lord, accused. And nothing is
In
more, my
page
lord.
number?
Page number 57, my lord. 57, operative part is, my lord, 58, my lord. Next page. Lord. So after going through the case diary and materials available on record and hearing learned counsel for both the sides, I am of the opinion that there is ground for presuming that the accused persons have committed offense under section 21C/29 of NDPS Act is framed against the accused person. Here, grammatical mistake is something, my lord. The ingredients of charge is read over and explained to the accused persons to which they pleaded not guilty and claim to be tried. Meaning is, my lord, charge is framed, my lord. And in a separate sheet, my lord, is charge sheet also framed, my lord. Under section 21C and 29. Situated thus, accused persons, Atar Rahman Sonso, they are remanded to judicial custody. Thereafter, one time, my lord, NDPS, my lord, NBW, my lord, was issued, my lord, against the absconder Noor Ali, my lord. Only one time. Thereafter, again, started to issue summon, my lord. In, my lord, page 65, my lord, you will lordship kindly see, page 65, lord, middle part, summon issued to Noor Ali has not returned as yet. As such, issue non-bailable warrant of arrest against the accused Noor Ali. Lord, NBW was issued, and subsequently the learned court below ought to issue NBW consecutively. Lord, without doing so, my lord, learned court below has again started to issue summon, my lord. Next date you will also kindly see. Next order. This is long order, my lord. Case 69, summon issued to accused Nur Ali has not yet returned. As such, issued fresh summon to the accused Nur Ali. Subsequently, my lord again started issuing summon. So court is waiting for Nur Ali, my lord. Even, my lord, after framing charge, my lord, court is waiting for Nur Ali, who is absconder, my lord. So unless
Shown as an absconder in the chart.
charge sheet, my lord, shown. Charge sheet, my lord, is annex, my lord. You will also find page, my lord, 36. Separate sheets are there.
All correct.
Let the first file an appropriate application before the trial court for splitting up if he wants to split up the case. Then trial court will consider in accordance with, and if suppose trial court rejected, then he can again oppose before this.
But while framing the charge framing order was at page
Charge spring, my lord, order is
56, yeah.
57,
57.
57, my lord. 57. Order dated 4/4/2024.
58.
11 pages, my lord, 58.
And cases of only of 23 and charge frame on 18/4/24. And date is
No,
also fixed
charge
for
frame to 4/4/24. 4/4/24.
When the charge was waived, that
Yes.
so whether it was not within the knowledge of the current court below regarding the absconding, I don't know. So charge is framed, and in the last column fixed 18/4 for remand of the and evidence on it.
Yes.
So evidence was fixed in fact.
Fixed.
Thereafter again
Again, my lord,
on
summon.
18/4 the summons was issued
Yes.
to Nur Ali. While framing, at the time of framing of the charge, it was not, maybe not within the knowledge or out of sight, I don't know why.
Yes.
Charge was not to have been framed
Yes.
charge.
Frame.
All for the LCR.
Yes.
And in the meantime, we're fixing the date for calling LCR. In the meantime, you may file a petition before the London court will look at appropriate petition. Bring for splitting up of the case. If it is fair for you, because the criminal petition, I don't know, criminal petition filed, but or whatever, whatever maybe. Then I mean, entertaining the criminal petition, but we file a petition, proper petition before the London trial.
Yes, my lord.
With bringing all these issues because charge was framed. I have seen the framing of charge order of charge. There was no mention about the Nur Ali.
The issue was raised
Name
during
of the Nur Ali
my
was
lord,
not
sharing of the
mentioned
bail,
at
my
all.
lord. This issue was, my lord, raised before the while my bail petition was rejected, my lord. At that time, my lord, it was verbally, my lord, argued, my lord.
Name of framing charge also. The name of said Nur Ali was not there.
My lord.
If you
Yes,
see the
Nur Ali
order
was
of the
not.
framing of charge, the name of Nur Ali was not there. That means it may be oversight or
Yes.
maybe ignorance or maybe I don't know why. The charge ought not to have been
Yes.
filed because the one accused was still absconding.
My lord.
One accused is still absconding, and as per the charge also he was absconding. So if it was absconding, in spite
Check,
of
my lord,
his
my-
presence,
my-
the charge was framed.
My prayer was, my lord, twofold, my lord. One is to, my lord, split up, my lord, and another is, my lord, to
Before passing any order by
conclude the,
this
my lord,
court,
time within a
that's what
stipulated
I'm
period
saying.
of time, my lord.
Before passing any order by this court, you pray a petition, file a petition, praying for splitting up. And then let us know what has happened. We are fixing it after. By that time we call for the scan copy of the
Yes,
LCR
my lord. Yes, my lord.
and we fix after the fifth or fourth.
My lord.
When the next date is fixed, your
My lord. My lord, I have to verify, my lord. My lord, give the date, my lord.
No, you have submitted your annexed order sheet.
Well,
sir,
one
here.
last order is my lord missing, my lord, and that is why, my lord.
It was 17/8.
17
Well, thereafter one date is there, my
One
lord.
more date is there.
One date is there, my lord. So that is what I
So
am
we
aware.
may fix it after 3 weeks. Then.
My lord.
In the meantime, you can file.
Yes, my lord.
It's okay. Or you can tell us the date.
My lord.
Just please let us know the date, then we fix it a date.
Yes, my lord, I'll give the
After
order.
the date, yes.
Date, my lord. Yes.
3 weeks go to another date. Keep it, he make it. We'll fix it immediately after that.
Yes, my lord. Problem.
May I please, Your Lordship? This application was second time we have come before your lordship. Earlier it was rejected by your lordship, my lord. May I please the fact before your lordship, my lord, first of all. The FIR, my lord. The FIR was lost by one. That because I am a businessman, but
Where is the rejection order? You have annexed?
yes, my lord.
Have you annexed the rejection order?
Yes, I have.
Page 33.
Yes, I have a next, my lord. But just for products, for just for your lordship's satisfaction, the FIR, I like to just point out something, my lord. That FIR, your lordship will find at page 30, my lord. It was lost by one on basis of inquiry submitted by C. Parag Bormon, SI, my lord. He has lost the FIR before the Bosista police station, my lord. That is page 30. With reference to cited above, I have the honor to report you. After we endorse the petition in my name, accordingly, I have examined the complaint and collected the land-related documents supporting our allegation. On examination of the seller of the land, Rongen Rongshan, it has come to my knowledge that he suffered a loss in the civil case by its number so-and-so. After that, Simanta Chaudhary, Tapat Chaudhary and his associates approached him and collected documents from him by giving a false promise that he will help him getting his land back. But they have prepared a fraudulent sale deed number so-and-so, where it has been shown that Sri Nogan Rangson has purchased the land from one to Kumar Agarwal. But Nogan Rangson stated their family was a rioting in their land in 1970s and 80s, and they were not purchased the land. I have examined the younger son of late Subhakam Agarwal, namely Rajiv Seria. He stated their family has not sold the land to Nogan Rangson after getting their degree, as stated above, of the civil case, and appealed by Nogan Rangson. The family presently lawful ownership of the land, and their land is under the possession. After inquiry, it has come to light in the Honorable Court, a decree whereby the ownership of the land was decreed with the family of Kumar Ojit Serio Agarwal by its civil case number so-and-so. On the strength of the judgment of the Honorable Court, the court officials along with the circle officer have evicted the land from wrongful possession and has been made enforcement free. During the inquiry, it has established that after preparation of suspected fraudulent deed in the name of Nogan Rangson, the renowned land broker Simanta Chaudhary and Tapat Chaudhary and few associates together conspired and sold the land to Rudrox and Trek care of Hiramuri Chaudhary. During inquiry, it is revealed that Simanta Chaudhary and Tapat Chaudhary and others in connivance with several government officials, revenue money collected selling nutrition records, so and sold to Rudrox Center. That is the sum substance of it. In this case, I miss Tapat Chaudhary. Simanta Chaudhary already granted anticipated bail or already granted bail. Now, initially, FIR was lost by this Woodruss and claim. That is, your lordship will find at page 28. They are saying that, this complainant is Hiramuri Chaudhary. Original complaint, my lord. That is page 28, your lordship will find. House number so-and-so, lodged an FIR stating that on 16/5/24, complainant purchased a plot of land in Nalapara in the name of Woodruss and Trade Company. After constructing a house running a small business, but suddenly few holders of the daily weapons personnel arrived and vacated land, and nothing is fruitful was there. Later, complainant approached the court due to avoidable so-and-so. Matter was negotiated, so-and-so. Now, your lordship will find that they have stated that one seed Nogan Rangson, this Nogan Rangson is the main culprit, my lord. He's actually what has happened in this case, my lord. In the police has made a false narrative that he is innocent. Actually, he's not the innocent because his father, his brother has sold the land. They are the owners of the land. I'm coming to the decree that has been passed, my lord. They were the owners of the land. The land was not tilted by them. They were the owners. Their elder brother has sold it to this Marwari party, my lord, by way of executing a relinquency deed, my lord. But since they filed a possession right, that it was dismissed for default, your lord. In the counterclaim was allowed.
Why you have entangled? Because it may be a case between Rangson and
No, now what has happened, your lordship?
or whatever. But why were there?
No, because you know, your lordship kindly see the conduct of this main Nogan Rangson. He being a owner of that land, his brother has sold the land by way of relinquency in favor of Agarwal family, man, way back in 2007. Now, When it was sold, my lord, they were never in possession, my lord. Then he filed an application as a riotee, my lord, that we are riotee under so and so, so and so. This could suppressing all facts, my lord. Now, when the counterclaim was filed, my lord, the court realized that they were actually he is a driver by profession, and he one of his brother is an employee of forensic department. They were never tillers of the land, and the relinquished deeds were exhibited in the court, my lord. On the basis of that, my lord, decree was issued, and they were dismissed for default way back in 2012. So counterclaim was allowed, and position was given to them, my lord. In the meantime, one Rangasan, what is done? He has again entered his name in the sale in the Jamamundi, my lord. Why he has entered his name? For purpose of selling the land to this Chaudhary family, my lord. So your lordship may see the conduct of this Rangsan, my lord. Now police has made a false verdict. I am responsible for it. Sale deed was executed. He has prepared the sale deed in his own handwriting, knowing fully well that I am not the owner. How can he prepare sale deed on his own name, my lord? You will also may see the conduct on. Now police has protected him. Oral evidence has been reduced. I am the male culprit, but documented evidence proved otherwise. A person whose brother has already sold the land, and already there is a decree in the favor of them. Now how can you again put a sale deed and taking possession of the same, my lord? No doubt officials of the district administration also involved, no doubt, that is that. But main culprit is this person, knowing fully well that your brother has all the land. You don't have a right over that land. If your lordship come to the part, my
Yeah, with all parties, and now have you during the investigation all these documents are already been collected by the IO? Or
yes, we have stated about that decree, my lord, judgment, my lord.
no, decree is there.
Yes.
Decree is in favor of Mr. Agarwal or what?
Yes, that decree. There, your lordship, if you goes to the judgment, my lord, your lordship will find the conduct of Rangsan, my lord. He is the main
Once
culprit.
it is rejected, so we have. Have you produced all these documents? You have not produced before the IO.
It was
Earlier, his brother sold the.
yes, we have brought
to
to the notice, but
that they were not.
yes, but
Christian or all.
because documented evidence very clear, so Rangsan is the main culprit, man. Because once you are not a owner, knowing fully well, how you claim ownership, your lordship? Then you are selling a plot of land, my lord, for purchase of money, my lord. Absolutely legal, my lord. Fraudulent transaction they have done, my lord.
Instead of after rejection of larger bill, I ordered it by order statement 9 in the 19 is submitted there are some not brought it while disposing by the and then the public submission bill and by what extra support it's according to very
On my lord, updated case diary on 12/9.
12 years.
12/9.
updated calling
Interim pending.
will record your submission on that day.
Your interim pending item, my lord. That will appear, my lord, before the IO is listed.
No. Once it is rejected,
I understand.
May it please your lordship. What is the 482 petition, my lord, of the BNS?
then is 482. Oh, acha, acha.
Lordship, anticipatory bail, your lordship. Page 15 is the FIR. Allegation is that 13 numbers of rice bags were recovered from my godown, your lordship, and they suspect that it is PDS rice. Now, lordship may kindly, that is the allegation. It is suspected that it is PDS rice. Now, lordship may kindly turn to page 10, your lordship. I am a businessman, my lord, deals with my lord. I deal in rice business, my lord. Page 10 is my GST registration. Page 10 is the GST registration. Lordship has got it. Page 14, my lordship may kindly see the panchayat, your lordship, the Gaon Panchayat. They've issued a certificate that my lord, I am a lawful businessman, your lordship. Lordship has paid with that also. Then lordship may kindly see page 22. The rice in question, when I have purchased, my lord, that the tax invoice I have annexed, my lord. Yeah, I have duly purchased, my lord, the rice. Now they have LS page 15 that the rice,
Why they are all override?
my lord, overwriting, my lord, there is no only that, my lord, page marking 22, my lord. That my it was earlier 21, my lord. Now, my lord, our serial page.
Okay.
Oh, only that, my lord. I'm so sorry about that, my lord. My clerk has, my lord, that page marking. Now, my lord, they have alleged that, my lord, some bags of rice were, and it is suspected to be PDS rice, my lord. And now, lordship may kindly see the section alleged here, lordship. That is at page 3, my lord, section 318 oblique within bracket 4 of the BNSS, your lordship, and section 7 of the EC Act. Your lordship, no 7 of the EC Act is a bailable section, your lordship, and the lordship, there's 318(4), your lordship, may not be attracted, your lordship.
And it is for
318, your lordship. 18(4), whoever cheats and thereby dishonestly induces the person deceived to deliver any property to any person. So at this stage, I pray, my lord, I may be allowed to produce my documents, my challan and everything, your lordship, and some interim protection may be given, your lordship. And in the meantime, the FSL report may also be called for, because that will prove, it is not PDS right. And 7 EC Act is bailable. Assuming not admitting, your lordship, the allegations are true, 7 EC Act will be applicable, not 318(4). I will appear with the relevant documents, your lordship, before a concerned IO, my lord. My statement may be recorded. The FSL may be called for a lordship of the rice, my lord. It will be, the sampling has been done. It will prove that the rice is not, I have categorically stated also, my lord.
Your lordship may kindly come to page 16. Those, my lord, rices are meant for, my lord, poor beneficiaries. Those are, your lordship may come to paragraph 16, paragraph 2, my lord. In the godown, well, he is the owner of the godown. We found 13 numbers of jute gunny bags containing rice with machine stitching level as fortified rice, very much similar to the rice supplied by Food Corporation of India under public distribution system. Alongside the gunny bag rice, there were 213 numbers of plastic bags rice also, my lord, there, which was seemed to be refilled from the gunny bags. So, my lord, those plastic bags were refilled by, my lord, transferring those, my lord, rice bags from the gunny bags, my lord. Also, we have found a sewing machine, my lord,
I deal
fitted
in rice
with
business.
thread.
It's a godown, my
My
lord.
lord,
I used to see the
sewing
godown.
machine fitted with thread and an electronic weighing machine and some empty gunny bags and
I deal
plastic
in
bags
rice
in the
business.
location.
I deal in
And
rice business.
thereafter, my lord, it is evident from the circumstances that some unscrupulous traders have illegally gathered highly subsidized PDS rice and refilled it in plastic bags for selling it in the market for their wrongful personal gain. We tried our best to find out the black marketers, but none of the local people. So, my lord, this is the situation, my lord, how this, my lord, PDS rice were, my lord, thereafter the sewing machine is there, also stitched, my lord, there, everything is there, how those, my lord, PDS rice were transferred to, my lord, plastic bags, and their plastic bags is also available there. How these, my lord, PDSRs, which are meant for core beneficiaries. Now these illegal traders trying to sell it, my lord, in black market, trying to black marketing all these, my lord, PDS rights. So, my lord, in this case, only after case diary, your lordship, my lord, because whether my submission of my learned friend is that whether those are PDS rights or not, only case diary will reveal everything, my lord. At this stage, from these allegations, my lord, my prayer before your lordship not to grant any intent.
My lord, one more thing, my lord. If his submission is correct also, then my lord, 7 EC Act will be applicable, not 318(4).
No, 7
7 EC Act is a bailable section. Because lordship knows, my lord, one, there is a special act. There cannot be BNSS, your lordship. The 7 is, and lordship may ask me to, lordship may allow me to produce all the documents, your lordship, and it's a rice, go down. There will be, stitching machine, weighing machine. I deal in rice business, and there is no specific thing.
But that's about the but up from by both and comfort your but the text and voices that derives were purchased from Sriram Mr. Papa section 304 yes rather at the step a bit support there were the benefits the PDS right made for poor benefit where right for set the market and consider it and the fire Mr. Bot not it in but and the nature of what it is. As an order is that 99 15 or 99
Lordship, along with the FSL report.
FSL and along with it. You are not on
Oblige, your lord.
along with FSL.
May please, I am appearing on behalf of A. Manaf Lordship. He is out of station for medical treatment, Lordship.
It's we have received it.
Yes, case diary received.
Yeah, what happened, Lordship? The seizure of cattle, Lordship, under Cattle Preservation Act, Lordship. The driver and the helper of the truck was arrested. The cattle were seized, and the truck owner was granted in interim order was made absolute, Lordship. I am the owner, Lordship, of that cattle, Lordship. This is the case. I cooperated with the investigation, Lordship. And moreover, I have all the document. And moreover, I am a owner of a poultry farm, Lordship. For that purpose, it was carrying, Lordship. Not for slaughtering. It is for the that I have annexed the
You are this here also you are not intended.
Lordship.
In this
No,
case, you are not
no,
intended.
no.
I'm not in interim, Lordship. Maybe at that point of time, Lordship, what happened, I don't know. Lordship. The page 21, Lordship. Page 21, Lordship will kindly see.
21, 21 is, Lordship, that this is a certified Rokibul Islam. This is the present petitioner. Is a is a progressive dairy farmer in my knowledge, and during the field visit, I have observed that he has constructed dairy cattle shed in the land bearing so and so number. And this is from the block veterinary officer, Lordship. And the page 22 also, Lordship, a certificate from the Secretary Tech Collector, Lordship, regarding that poultry farm. And page 23 is the
It's a poultry farm or dairy farm?
dairy farm, Lordship. And page 23, Lordship, will kindly see the road permit was issued, Lordship. We have obtained application, the page 23.
Other state witnesses also there, my lord.
Only thing is that
He is the
cruelty is there, Lordship.
Statement of Coik.
yes, my lord. Otherwise, driver who was early arrested, my lord. And total 46 numbers of cattle were found inside the vehicle.
Cruelty is there, Lordship. I don't disagree to
That
that.
permit is only for carrying those, but
আমি
only six,
গৰুকেইটা বিহাৰৰ
those, my lord.
বিহাৰৰ পৰা লোড কৰি
হয়. Yes.
বিহাৰত গৈ আছে।
There are other statements also, my lord.
Reading of the Lordship, from the reading of the petition, Lordship, it's not for slaughtering, Lordship. That is your Lordship. That and the certificates are there, Lordship. Cruelty is there, Lordship. That cannot be denied, Lordship. Only thing, Lordship, for that reason, custodial detention
And
is
some
required.
of the
Lordship.
witnesses specifically said those are meant to, my lord, for transporting to Bangladesh, my lord, earlier
No, no.
also. And he is the owner of the all these
dairy farm.
161 statement, Lordship. Only
Other
thing that
statement
the dairy farm was there, Lordship, only for that, Lordship, purpose, not for slaughtering, Lordship. And cruelty is there, Lordship. For that reason,
That
Lordship,
is
we have
only-
already learned a
that
lesson
is
running
only
here
for
and
a
there.
specific period on, and my lord, if that permit is only for,
The permit is also there, Lordship.
permit is only for transporting the cattle, my lord. But here 40, only 6 cattle can be carried in a, my lord, heavy load vehicle. also.
That admitted portion of fact, Lordship. I'm not
Cruelty
denying
is,
to
my
that,
lord, prima
Lordship.
facie there.
But that is admitted fact.
গৰুৰ লগত মতা গৰু লুকাই আনে।
Yes. And at that point of time, what he instructed those persons who were arrested, my lord,
Yes.
that what he instructed that to tell them police how to, my lord, that but to conceal those, that they were carrying, my lord, those cattle, my lord. And my lord, there are other statements also who stated that sometimes, my lord, these cattle also thereafter, my lord, after loading at Borpeta, they were transported to Bangladesh also by various means, my lord.
Annexure 8, Lordship, permit is also there, Lordship. Lordship, kindly, Lordship, allow him, Lordship, that we have learned a lesson, Lordship, running here and there, Lordship. That other on cruelty is there, Lordship. I cannot deny to that, Lordship. That
It is admitted that he is a dairy farm.
Lordship, that is,
Dairy
Lordship,
farm
only.
is admitted, permit is also there, but is there any permit that he carry?
No, that part is admitted, Lordship. I don't deny, Lordship. Cruelty is there, Lordship. Huge numbers of cattle in a single. That he have learned a lesson,
My lord,
Lordship. For
genuine-
next time, it will not happen,
Genuineness
Lordship.
of that permit
Lord.
also, my lord, required to be fully investigated.
That learn, Lordship, ignorance of the fact, Lordship. They learn the thing, Lordship. Next time, it will not happen again.
Genuineness of the permit.
Yes, that is also required to be investigated.
Next time, it will not happen, Lordship. That a local person, Lordship, as and when required, Lordship, will appear there. It's not outsider, Lordship. As and when, Lordship, will directed, he will appear, Lordship. All are granted bail, Lordship, except this person, Lordship. And he have already learned a lesson, Lordship. In near future, he will not commit the same mistake again. It is merely for ignorance of law, Lordship. That technicality is, Lordship, only our learned people, Lordship. Our common people will know it.
It is a profitable business. This
Yes, my lord. In this manner, they will again, my lord, they will commit same type of offense again, my lord. My lord, continuing business. This is a huge profit they will earning, my lord, by doing this type of businesses. And my lord, And all these, my lord,
Maximum
kettles are meant for
transportation is to Bangladesh.
transportation in Bangladesh. My lord.
That cannot be said, Lordship. It is a 161 Lordship. It is not proved that part has not been, he was not detected there, Lordship. That is a
Investigation
161
is
Lordship.
going
Is normally what happens, Lordship, in trial, it goes something different, Lordship. At that point of time, he have already enough lesson, Lordship. From next time, Lordship, it will not be done in his near future, Lordship. For example, the email objection to the
Now, that it and now out at more this part is but back it as a that form that and that of the data body the most property that part more sub that offset for block that part for better the train that but and it got it if it up and up transport pull out for the purpose transporting body okay work done.
Oh, Lordship. Much obliged, your Lordship. Much obliged. Much obliged. Can I take the original receipt?
Yes, yes.
No question.
Well, my lord, case diary not received.
Lordship, in the meantime, Lordship, Zimma of the kettle and bagel already allowed by the landed court below, Lordship. And the
Okay, then you are on interim, I think.
Lordship, only petition number 2, Lordship. Only Allowed petition number 1, Lordship.
You are for petition number 2.
Both petition, Lordship. Only interim to the petition number 2 granted, Lordship. And praise for petition number 1, Lordship.
My court bench has already granted it. So
Lordship,
let it
what happened, Lordship, in the meantime, Jimnal already granted, Lordship, by the Honorable Court, Lordship. I have to appeal, Lordship. Without protection, it is
feel
not
listed.
possible, Lordship.
When it can be listed.
My lord, this one sorted
So
on
interim is granted for the 1,
Petition number 2, Lordship.
and you are for the both 1 and
Both,
2.
Lordship.
Who is 1 in fact?
1, Lordship, they are not granted, Lordship. In the meantime, Lordship, Jim already granted.
No, whatever. Who is 1?
1, Lordship, owner of the cattle, Lordship.
1 is the owner of the cattle,
Cattle, Lordship.
and 2 is
2 is the owner of the vehicle, Lordship.
the owner of the vehicle.
Vehicle.
The owner of the vehicle was already granted.
Already granted in team, Lordship. Lordship, kindly 1 may be granted, Lordship. I have to appeal, Lordship.
Submitted by it reminded the interim order granted in number 2, no? It is
2,
number-
Lordship.
it is petition number 2. It's accordingly when
on my lord,
Lordship,
10
kindly 1 may be considered, Lordship.
10-9.
Lordship, 1 may be considered, Lordship. I have to appeal, Lordship. To produce the documents,
9 is
Lordship.
fixed.
Obliged. 10, no?
May it be lordship. This case, my lord, I need to say something,
Now,
madam.
where it was called for,
Yes, that has come, madam.
it was called for.
Yes, scan copy has come, madam.
I've not passed the order here about the board. Pass the order by
Yes.
My lord,
because my bench is not big and some other folks. Also. So let it be fixed on Monday or
Yes.
CDA scan copy is already there.
yes.
Yeah.
If I just Nandi is there. So,
Monday, what
Monday or Tuesday. Monday can
Monday, madam.
Monday. 2-9.
All right, your lordship.
I have heard.
Yes, madam.
Are you children?
Lordship, I
For 12. Scan copy.
Yes, there was call for my lord. 18, my lord, IO has paid sometime, my lord.
54 days in custody, my lord. Well, only thing was it is filed or not, my lord. It will be on Monday, my lord. We have
No,
instruction.
Monday cannot be. He's praying for some time.
Already
IO.
54 days.
54 days.
Yes, ma'am.
You are on 21B.
Yes, sir. That's why, my
What
lord.
to say, Mr. Kotak?
On 3rd of September, Tuesday, my lord, I will try.
Tuesday. Tuesday will on
No,
how many days?
on 5th of September, my lord, 5-9.
5th of September will be 60 days over, I think.
On 3rd of September, my lord.
3rd of September.
Obliged, lordship.
Your IO is seeking some time
Yes, my
to
lord.
produce the case diary.
Yes, my lord.
Submitted by Mr. Kotak. The IO has paid for some time. Fine. At 2.8. Okay, we're listing it on 3rd.
Yes, my lord.
Obliged, lordship.
This is I is for suspension.
Suspension, madam.
For hear the matter. I have not been in a position to hear. So let it be.
That one was two, 3 times matter already had.
I'm busy with the other bench. In fact, it was not for me. And what is happening actually, I'm preparing questionnaires and all for the interview. In fact, I'm busy otherwise. Actually,
You do
Saturday
what
today, not we had in fact.
Next Mangalore.
Otherwise, the state has already filed your objection.
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Everything only, madam.
List.
My lord, very urgent, my lord, he is
Tuesday,
Tuesday
Wednesday,
on 3/9.
on 3/9. Today is Saturday.
Most of the courts, my lord, they are not
Already.
most of some of the court already is
Yes.
obliged to us.
I have the division bench was also there. Just from division bench, the division bench was almost within 10 minutes it was over. So immediately I rushed there and then 10:45 I am taking this bench.
Again, we will be sitting in the divisional bench or
No,
this is the, so your lordship also free now.
not
Obliged.
free, I'll have some work, personal work.
My lord, it's a revision petition challenging the order of learned special judge, whereby some stay order has been passed in view of an order passed by
This
the
is delay, na?
delay, lordship.
What is the delay?
Lordship, the delay is due to lordship official process, lordship, for vetting.
How many days delay?
Lordship, according to us, it is 137 days, but in the registry, lordship, they have written as 37 days.
37 days.
Yes, lordship. But our calculation is that it is 137 days. But they have corrected, stating that it is 37 days. Huh?
Whatever, have you, the order of issuance of notice has been passed? Or
No,
not?
no, no, no. For the first time, it
Issue
is.
notice,
Yes.
Petitioner. Within 3 days or 4 days can it be taken? Your issue notice?
Yes, yes. Within 4 days.
And you want any feature or it can be
The matter,
after
let it be after 17th of February. Let it be on 17th. Because similar, there's one more matter against this accused person. It was fixed on 17th. Let it be on 18th then.
18. But the question is that the
notice will be better served or not.
notice, yeah, that is the question. 18 by 18th may not be. That's why. Let it be on 24, 29, 24, 9. Let it be on 24, 24, 9.
May I please?
Yes.
If the revision petition against the order passed by the learned Principal Judge Family Court Kacharet Silchar, thereby granted maintenance, Lordship.
It
to
was
this
in relation to reduction of maintenance.
Lordship, and
To, we want a reduced amount. Anyway,
Lordship.
the other side have appeared already.
No, Lordship.
Have you taken steps?
Lordship, earlier we have taken step. It was returned
written.
unsought without any postal remarks, Lordship. We may be allowed to take fresh step through usual process through concerned jurisdictional magistrate, Lordship.
So, it's a quasi civil nature.
Yes.
Or quasi criminal, whatever.
Yes.
So, guaranteed to jurisdiction or can
Yes.
Lordship, may I pray for interim?
Not
without-
different.
Let him take fresh steps, my lord.
Yes.
It is written
Without
unsought
specifying
without any postal remarks. So it may be better to take steps to easier, Lordship.
For to jurisdictional or
Lordship, through jurisdiction.
The family court of Cycle and yeah.
your earlier notice was 35 2023.
Yes.
Lordship.
Long back, I think.
Long.
Lordship.
Fresh go, I think. Both way he can take.
Yes. Both way he can take my fresh steps. Otherwise, my lord.
So, state was 05. Rest on and it also asked You are here, you are public, you are formal party or you are not at party?
Not for